Hi, this is Alan from Hogdive and welcome back to another video. And you're probably in this video because you're looking for something that can show you a creative way of outletting your creativity and allow you to express yourself freely through games and learning about history and cultures of different ethnicity on the whole wide world. Well, that is what Google Arts and Culture Games is about. So I'm gonna hop onto my desktop and on my phone to show you exactly what this website is about from Google and just play some games with you guys. All right, I'm gonna hop onto my desktop. All right, right now we are on my desktop, and as you can see, I have two things pulled up on my screen right now. My phone screen right here, which has the Google Arts and Culture application that, by the way, you would want to download. And also, I pulled up the artsandculture.google.com, which is the main website of this Google Arts and Culture, or let's just call it Google Art Game. Here, as you can see, there are a lot of different things. This is mainly the actual art, but the main thing that we are up to is the game. So if we want to hop into the games, same link, just click on play though. And as you can see, play, you have a lot of different games. Mostly these are kid games, but also they also allow you to learn more about the culture, and it is created for you guys to be more creative and artistic through games. So as you can see, there are some featured games, and of course, there are a lot of different games. And some of these applications would need the actual phone application that you can see on the right side right here. So let me download that. Just go and search for Google Arts and Culture to access it. And of course, it would need you to log in, and then boom, you should now also start downloading. As for the PC side of things, you won't have to download anything. All you gotta do is find your niche game here, and you're good. As you can see, there are popular games here, and yeah, you can also visit down the hogdive.com article that I've created down below, so you can read more about the games and what it is about and what is this website is for. But as for me, I'm going to be playing some games and showcase to you some of these games. Okay, let's go. Let's first do this one. Return of the Cat Mummy. Return to a life as cat and then help save the Pharaoh's journey of eternity. This one's about Egypt. And this one allows you to explore some culture of Egypt, especially the old ones. So let's go. Let's click on launch experiment and we can now play. You don't have to log in, but if you want to save your progress, you better log in with your Google account. So here, let me just press X because I don't want to. And we're just going to start the game. As you can see, I am a loyal servant. Let me lower down this volume, by the way. Hold that down. Walk me back. To find my missing treasures. Quickly gather as much as you can while your eyes adjust to the world of living. Go. Controls is WASD. So this is us. And we just explore. See, there are different types. So these games are mini games. So if you also just want to pass time, better check this website out. For free, you don't have to do anything. Accessible through browser and on your mobile phone. So I'm just going to continue playing for this one. So we just got to look for the treasures. We got one. There are now some dart traps. As you can see, you get damage, you get damage. You got 9 lives because you're a cat. Extra lives. This is an ankh. You might want to read those things that pops up on the screen because those things have something to do with the history or culture of Egypt. But as you can see, we're trying to get all the 9 treasures right now. Let me see if I can speed run this game for you guys. I'm kind of wondering a little bit of how I can access this part right there. But I think we're not supposed to go there yet. And level, collect either a book of the dead. So that's the Book of the Dead, right? This canopic jars, these actually have real meaning. So if you want to search them up online, that would be nice. Oh, oh, see, there are some rewards if you can. Why are people buried with amulets? Maybe that's the answer. I was right. That was a whole guess. Cool. I think I would end this part of the game though, because I don't want to waste our whole video with just that games. But that is cool. What about, let's try a different one. Let's try to do the blob opera. There's so many games in this website that you're not going to be bored with it. And you're also going to learn and see some of those new things and learn about the games, learn about their cultures, and do a lot of different things. Pass by time. Practicing bass. So blob opera, play for voice CDs around the world with the help of machine learning. Drag. I like the physics. This is for learning audio music. So as you can see, we have the bass. And then you can set them up. Oh. I don't like that one. There. Majestic. That was great. We can actually go into, we can go to Mexico. Oh, Dios nunca muere. Oh, you can just play that if you don't know, if you can't play it properly, then you just listen to what they can do. That is really cool. I actually enjoyed this one. I love music. There's one of the games that I actually enjoyed too. Now let's do one last. Let's go and let's see some games. View all games. See more. There are a lot of different ones. And actually, to show you one, we got this game. It's actually not really a proper game, but it is a part of the Google Arts and Store and Culture, I mean. And it's called the Art Projector. So place artwork at scale in your own home. So right here, as you can see, if I press it, Art Projector lets you see how artworks look in real size and in front of you, but you have to download it through the phone. So here, we've already downloaded the one for the phone, and I can just press open. This is Google Arts and Culture. I'm just gonna allow that. I'm gonna press no thanks. And let's see. We go and click on, nope. We wanna go and click for this. And we just wanna search for Art Projector. Right here. And what this does, it needs the access of your camera. Gonna use the AR of your phone. Now we can just choose what we want here. So let's do something. Oh, that is a big art. Oh, look at that. It's like on my wall. But it is all AI. And you can explore it. You can even go close and see what's in it. As you can see, covered up my whole front area and monitors as this whole paint. That is just really cool. Now we can just drag out of that and everything just works as it is. But that took a little while because it was a big painting. And of course you would need to have an access to a larger space. I am in a very small space. So that is that. So that is basically the art projector. And I think this is also where I'm going to be ending this video. Again, this is Alan from Hawk Dive. Hopefully you did learn a thing or two. Test out Google Arts and Culture Play. It is a lot of fun. There are a lot of different programs or at least games in it. And of course, such as these programs, such as the art projector, really cool stuff with the AR and AI. Check out with your phone and also on their website. All links on my article down below at hawkdive.com. And I will see you guys next Hawk Dive video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching and have a nice day.